Softaken email file locator. Are you struggling to find PST, OST, or email data files on your Windows computer? Searching manually through folders can be confusing and time-consuming. Softaken email file locator. Find email data instantly. Softaken email file locator is a powerful Windows utility designed to help users quickly locate and access email client data storage locations. This tool eliminates the guesswork when searching for email files, contacts, calendars, and profile data stored by popular email clients. Supported email clients. Softaken email file locator automatically detects multiple email clients installed on your system, including Microsoft Outlook, PST and OST files, profiles, contacts, and calendars. Mozilla Thunderbird, profile folders, mail storage, contacts, and calendar data. Windows Mail, Windows Live Mail, Outlook Express, Mailbird, Eating Inkling. Installed clients are clearly marked, making identification quick and easy. Types of data located. The tool helps you find different types of email-related data, such as email files, PST and OST files containing emails and attachments, contacts, address books, contact lists, and vCard files, calendars, events, appointments, and reminders, profiles and settings, email account configurations, and preferences. Everything is neatly organized for easy understanding. How to use step by step. Step 1. Launch the application. Double-click on run_roll_finder bat or run email_location_finder.py from the command line. The application will automatically scan your system. Step 2. View detected clients. On the left panel, you'll see a list of email clients. A check mark means the client is installed, while a cross indicates it's not found. Step 3. Select an email client. Click on any detected email client. The right panel will display all data locations related to that client. Step 4. Read information. Each section includes helpful information explaining what the data is and how it's used. Step 5. View data locations. You'll see a description of the data, the complete folder path, a status indicator showing whether the location exists. Conclusion. Softaken email file locator is the perfect solution for IT professionals, email users, and administrators who need fast and accurate access to email data locations. Download Softaken email file locator today and simplify your email data management. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful software videos.